Hi everyone. Today we are discussing the one formula that can unlock wealth, health, and success in your life. The ultimate manifestation form, which is aligned with the Vedic wisdom, Dr.Joe Dispenza's teachings, and the law of attraction principles. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to manifest their dreams effortlessly while others keep visualizing, affirming, and working hard, yet nothing seems to change in their life? What if I told you that manifestation isn't just about thinking positively? There is a simple yet powerful formula that has taught in ancient wisdom, Vedic wisdom, supported by the modern psychology and even reflected in the teachings of quantum science and the law of attraction. Today, I'm going to share that formula with you. And once you truly understand it, you will never look for manifestation the same way again. Let us understand the two ingredients of this manifestation formula. For every successful manifestation, these two elements are essential. Number one, a clear intention. Number two, the right emotion. Without these two working together, manifestation remains incomplete. Think of the intention as a road map which will take you to the destination for your journey, means your dream goal. Then the right emotion is the fuel that moves you towards your destination. You need both. Now let us see the step one, means to have a clear, crystal clear intention. The universe responds to clarity. If your goal is unclear, your energy becomes scattered. Instead of saying, I just want more money, become specific. What exactly you want? Understand that. Is it financial freedom? Is it a successful business? Or is it a dream home? Or is it a peaceful family life? Or a better health? So, when your intention becomes clear, your subconscious mind begins searching for opportunities aligned with that vision. Your energy becomes focused instead of getting divided or instead of getting scattered. Ancient Vedic teachings call this as sankalpa, a conscious, heartfelt intention that directs your life force energy. A powerful intention is not just a wish, it is an inner decision. So, your intention is so powerful. It is like a command from your brain to the universe. And another factor that shapes your intention is your beliefs. Just imagine you are planting a healthy seed into dry, infertile soil. Will it grow? Probably may not. Similarly, your intention is a seed, but your belief system is the soil. If deep inside you believe that I'm not worthy, or rich people are selfish, or success is difficult, or nothing ever works for me, etc., etc., then your subconscious begins pulling against your conscious intention. So, one part of you is moving forward and another part of you is applying the brakes. So the real manifestation begins when your beliefs supports your intention instead of resisting it. This has to be understood clearly. And the next is the most powerful part, that is the right emotion. This is where manifestation truly begins in your life. Imagine two people who both wanted financial abundance in their life. Both of them write affirmations, both of them visualize, both of them work hard, but internally, one feels anxious, scared, or worried, constantly thinking about his pending bills, feeling that there is never enough for him, while the other person feels grateful, confident, peaceful. So the second person is trusting that abundance is always finding its way to him. Who do you think is sending the right, stronger signal to the universe? The second person, isn't it? Because if at all you send the right signal or the intention to the universe will only attend your request when your emotion is matching with the emotional state of the desired dream. Because life force energy or the universe or the pure consciousness, or scientifically if you say the quantum field, responds more powerfully to your emotional state than to your words. You heard it right. Life force energy, the universe or the pure consciousness or the quantum field responds more powerfully to your emotional state than your words. You don't attract what you say. You consistently attract what you emotionally are, what you emotionally are. And that is very important to understand. Why this emotion matters so much? Think about someone who is already financially secure. How do they feel? They feel relaxed. They feel free. They feel confident. They feel secure, hopeful, generous. They feel a stability in their life, isn't it? They make decisions from possibility instead of from fear or from lack feeling. So these emotions becomes their natural state. Now, here is the fascinating part. Most people believe those emotions comes after becoming wealthy. But the secret is that all manifestation happens in 2 steps. Step number 1, first you match your emotion with that of the outcome. Step number 2, then when your emotion matches with that of the outcome, then the universe manifests your goal in 3D reality in your life. So these emotions of the desired outcome must begin before the outer reality changes in your life, because your emotion is the one thing that attracts a new experience matching with your emotion from the quantum field. So feel good now. Feel good now. This is the only mantra you can remember always. What is that? Feel good now. But few people ask, I am broke. How can I feel the emotion of a rich person? This is probably the biggest question every people have, isn't it? If I don't have money, how can I genuinely feel abundant? But here is an important truth. Your current bank balance reflects your past emotional patterns and beliefs, and your future bank balance will reflect emotional identity you consistently cultivate today. So you don't have to pretend you already own millions. Instead of that, practice feeling the emotions associated with abundance, such as gratitude, freedom, confidence, security, peace, joy, generosity, hope. By doing this, you are not lying to yourself. You are actually training. You are training your nervous system to become familiar with a new reality. The science behind this is like this. Modern neuroscience shows that your brain cannot always distinguish between a vividly imagined emotional experience and a real one. When you repeatedly generate these elevated emotions, your brain begins forming new neural pathways and your body starts becoming familiar with success, abundance, instead of survival or lack. Many experts, including Dr.Joe Dispenza, explains that your intention acts like information sent into the universe or the quantum field of infinite possibilities, while your emotional state decides what experience you attract towards you. Whether you call it universe or quantum field or consciousness or divine intelligence, the principle remains the same. Your thoughts choose the destination and your emotion bring that to you. And the most important thing to remember in your life is that your emotional frequency creates your life. Ask yourself one question. How do you feel most of the days? Do you feel worry? Do you live in worry, fear, or stress, or lack? Or do you cultivate appreciation, peace, trust, joy? Do you live in gratitude? Or do you live in possibility? Because your dominant emotional state becomes the blueprint from which your future experiences are built. This doesn't mean that you have to be happy every second. We all experience difficult emotions. The key is not perfection. The key is your emotional home. Where do you return most often? So let us put it everything together. Manifestation is not a magic. It is an inner alignment. Understand that first. The formula is beautifully simple. The formula is clear intention plus right emotion equals powerful manifestation. Know what you want. Believe it is possible. Then begin living from the emotion of the person who has already achieved it. When your mind believes it and your heart feels it, your outer world gradually begins to reflect your inner world. Now let us see a daily practice which you can do to speed up your manifestation. Every morning before beginning your day, ask yourself these two questions. Number one, what is my intention today? And how would I feel if that intention were already fulfilled in my life? What will be my emotions then? Spend just 5 minutes experiencing these emotions. Feel the gratitude, feel the confidence, feel the freedom, and carry these feelings with you throughout the day. The more consistently you practice this, the more you shift your life from reacting to your life to consciously creating your life. So finally, remember, your intention tells the universe or the life force energy what you want, but your emotion tells the life who you are and what you emotionally are brings the similar life situations to you. When both of your intention and right emotion become aligned, manifestation happens naturally. If this message resonates with you, let me know in the comment. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Magical Life, and share it with someone who is really want this information, who really wanted to transform their life from the inside out. Until next time, stay grateful, stay aligned, and keep creating your magical life. Thank you, guys.